Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device. So to enter secret codes, you have to open keypad and enter codes here. And the first code for today will be *#O**#. And this is the testing menu where you can test different features of your device, like colors of display, receiver, vibration, sensor, and else. Could be useful, I guess. Next code will be *O228#. And this is the battery status info menu. The next code will be *O808#. And this is the USB settings menu. Could be useful too, I guess. The next code will be *1234#, and this is the version info. Unbelievable. The next code will be *2663#, and this is the firmware version menu. Very nice. The next code will be *0011#, and this is the service mode where you can have some features. Okay, impressive. And the last code for today will be *06#, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.